Hey everyone, I'm Paula Marie Moose, and I just wanted to give a shout out about the LadyBoss Results Coaching Program and let you know how life-changing and kick butt BA it is. I've been with my coach Jessica for about 2 months, and it literally has been life-changing. I think I was only a week into the program when I had an injury that put me in a boot, so I couldn't really do cardio. And Jess has really helped me figure out different ways to work out and still meet my goals without having to give up anything. And then also, she has really helped coach me in the fact of changing my mindset in the way that I now consciously and subconsciously make better decisions. Perfect example is like when I am running late, or I'm on the road traveling and I'm hungry and I don't have anything with me. Instead of stopping and picking up, potato chips and things like that at the convenience store, I'm picking up almonds and peanuts and water and things like that. And I'm doing it subconsciously now because I'm thinking automatically, like, this is what I gravitate towards. So anyone who gets the opportunity to do this program, do it. You will not be upset with it. I mean, it's been life altering in such a positive way. It's the best thing I've done besides joining LadyBoss. So if you get the opportunity, jump in with both feet and just do it. Thanks everyone. Have a good night. Bye.